Hello everyone, welcome to day 4. Today we are going to talk about some of the favorite Python packages or libraries in ML. Yes, so in today's video we are going to explore some of the most powerful packages that are present in Python. And if you are starting your journey or even if you are kind of pro, right, I would still recommend to master these packages. And if you can master these packages, then you can get any job, you can build any AI/ML solution if you want. So let's get started. So first package that is there is Pandas. Yeah. So if you are someone who are already working into the data field, whether you're working as a data engineer, data analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer, or even you're just starting off, you would have heard of this tool. This is one of the most powerful package that is there if you're working with structured data. Pandas provide you this capability where you can read data from any file in a structured format, like from any CSV, Excel, or from any database. And with this, you can actually work towards creating a lot of data features, creating, a data that can be used by any ML model for or in data analysis. So it helps you to clean the data, handle any missing values, merge different data sets that are there. So it's a very powerful tool. Second package that is there if you want to train your data, that is Scikit-Learn, or is like a Swiss knife for classical ML. From getting a logistic regression model to any clustering algorithm to building PCA kind of model, or even to build a simple neural network, you can use Scikit-Learn. It has all the packages available and it's very, very beginner friendly. It has a very clean interface, a very beautiful documentation, and a lot of examples are available right now. So you can just get started. It provides you all the functionalities for you to build model, train the model, and evaluate the model result. All the different kind of metrics are available like out of the box. So you don't have to spend any time if you want to build any ML solution. If you have got into ML now, it's a deep learning. So for deep learning, the most powerful package right now is PyTorch. Yes. So if you would have heard for deep learning, I think there are two major packages that are kind of leading. One is PyTorch by Meta and TensorFlow by Google. But if you ask me, like, PyTorch has taken a leap ahead and it is, one of the most favorite package out there in deep learning. So if you want to use any deep learning based model, like you want to with computer vision model for like object detection or image segmentation, or if you want to believe NLP based model like transformers or any diffusion models in the backend by PyTorch. So yeah, PyTorch is the one of the most powerful package out there in deep learning. Now the fourth package which we are going to talk about is XGBoost. Yes, like this is very similar to different ML packages that we have under Scikit-Learn, but XGBoost is a very powerful package. Many people have used this even in production setting, and even if you found it right, like if you go to AWS has a different kind of Docker image only for XGBoost, and the reason is it is very fast, accurate, and like still getting used across the industry. So it's very useful if you want to build an ML model and you don't want to try out different models. You can just do the hyperparameter tuning and you can get the best result. Now, the fifth package that is there is HyperOpt. So when you're building ML models, like you need to do a lot of hyperparameter tuning, and it's like a very painful work. If you're going through like a grid search approach or like any other approach, like you have to do a lot of hyperparameter tuning and it's not very scalable and it's not very fast. HyperOpt provide you this, like it uses the optimization techniques and try to find the best hyperparameter very faster. So it's very best if you want to use it in your experimentation. You want to have the less compute and more productivity. HyperOpt should be your go-to package. The next package that we have is SciPy. Yes. So if you're working in an NLP space, SciPy is like a powerhouse package which provides you a lot of different functionalities, a lot of NLP utilities that are there. And if you'll find it, like a lot of big packages has been built on top of SciPy only. So it's a very useful package, and it also provide you a very easy interface to work on, get your basic NLP work done. So that's it about SciPy. Now, if you're working in a computer vision, now this is a very basic package. The first package which I kind of started off, and I'll still have put it up here in ML. Though it's not a complete ML package, but if you're starting off in a computer vision, OpenCV is the package which you should learn. And a lot of different big packages that has been built are on top of OpenCV. So it helps you to do a lot of image transformation, provide and build filters, even build very basic face detection, object tracking, and different kind of applications. It's one of the best tool in computer vision. Another package that is there is a little bit into the next space, that is generative AI. Yes. So the next package which we're talking about is LangChain. LangChain is a very powerful tool if you are building any generative AI application. You want to use, let's say, different kind of LLMs in your app. Now you cannot keep on changing the packages. Let's say you want to build an agentic AI solution. You want to integrate the rack system. You want to have memory in your app, right? Like how ChatGPT has the memory. So all of these things, if you want to build, you need a framework, and LangChain provide you this capability where you can build production level ready AI applications. So it's very powerful and very wonderful package. So that's it. We have reached to the end of the video. Thank you if you have listened to this till the end. That's it for today. If you really like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye.